Hey, this is Robert Radcliffe with the Radcliffe Group at Sotheby's International Realty. Thanks for checking us out. And I want to introduce, drum roll, our operations manager, Shane Loomis.
Hi, good to be here.
Yeah, it's great to have you. And by the way, Shane, we've known each other for 20 years? Over 15.
Over 15, with the family for more than 20, I think.
Yeah, with the family.
Yeah.
More. So your first career started off in law, and that's how we met.
Yeah, it is. I was a divorce attorney for a long time.
Yep. And I've had experience there. But we've had the pleasure of meeting. I first was actually working with your mother.
Yep.
And had a wonderful relationship with her. She kind of semi-retired.
Yes.
And then passed you on to me or me on to you. Depends how you want to look at it.
Yeah, right.
And we just got along brilliantly and became friends along the process. And then there was a time that you decided, you know what, I'm going to kind of go into have a mediation business as well.
Yes, I
right?
do. Yeah.
You can tell the viewer a little bit about
that. Yeah,
I
mean, I still do work with helping people resolve disputes, which I think fits really well into what we do together.
Right.
Is preventing disputes, risk mitigation, those kinds of things in the process of a transaction.
Right.
Very similar in some ways to what happens in a family law case, but really specifically within real estate.
Yeah, yeah. And that's what's like such a beauty as far as the transition,
Yeah.
or not even a transition, the addition of what you bring to the table. You know, so Shane is the operations manager at the Radcliffe Group, and I couldn't be more proud to have him part of the group. And not only proud, but confident that I know that when you're engaging with clients, that not only do you bring a personal touch, but you bring like tons of competence, like you're a smart guy.
Well, it's fun. I've been learning a lot, and you're a great teacher in terms of you do have the trust and also verify. There's sort of both of those, but learning the process has been great. You have such a great reputation for being thorough and taking care of your clients. That's something I respect. So it's a very easy transition or an easy growth for me because we have the same focus. The client comes first.
Right. Yeah, exactly. The client. I mean, that's a lot of times we'll be talking, going over our morning routine of what we're doing and who we're working on. And it is with that theme. Yeah. It's like, what's most important for the client? Right. Like, let's move this forward with their interest in mind. And once again, Shane, like I'm so proud and grateful that you are working with me. And I think my clients are the ones that get a benefit from that the most. I benefit second. And I hope that I bring that to you as far as to the table as well.
Absolutely. It would be very hard to work with a place I didn't respect. And with this transition, we keep hearing these validations of what you're bringing to the table. And it makes it, I'm really proud of working there. We create a good thing. And I think really it is, when we take care of the clients, that really is the goal. And if we need to change, you change. We're gonna adjust. So I really enjoy that and get a lot out of learning from that perspective. It's wonderful.
Cool. Well, that once again, viewer, like I'm so proud that Shane's a part, and those that are working with us or have worked with us in the past and had the pleasure of working with Shane as the operations manager of the Radcliffe Group know how fantastic he is. His bio can be found on our website, robertradcliffe.com, along with, of course, all of my credentials. And also, why don't you tell the viewer a little bit how they can reach you for mediation stuff that you do on the side?
So the mediation on the other side is shanefloomis.com. My mediation practice is primarily focused in family issues. I work with people who are in trusts, in real estate transactions with their ex-spouses, child support, child custody, that kind of thing, really helping people find out-of-court solutions to those kinds of issues. And I enjoy it. We do risk mitigation. I'm learning a lot and bring some of that technical background as well. How we can use technology to prevent risk is a big part of it. So
awesome. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for considering us with all your real estate needs. Once again, this is Robert Radcliffe with the Radcliffe Group at Sotheby's International Realty. All credentials, once again, at robertradcliffe.com. And I can be reached at the office. We can be reached at the office, 310-317-9900. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.